Hi, I'm Dr. Lavanya Kiran. I'm a gynecologist, a fertility specialist, and a robotic surgeon. In my OPD, I have a lot of patients coming in asking them to help become pregnant. I do have quite a few patients who have had previous IVF failures. Sometimes they've failed 2 to 3 IVF failures. I'm always wondering, how do I help such couple go home with a bundle of joy? Sometimes simple things of inculcating a lifestyle changes, talking to them about the right nutrition, right diet, exercise, stress-free life itself leads into a good success rate on my behalf. I take the credit though. And sometimes they need a little advanced treatment like an IUI or more advanced, sometime relying on IVF. In such patients, when they've failed IUIs and later stepping in for IVF, I'm wondering what else can I do differently? It becomes more difficult for me when they've had previous IVF failures and they're coming to me with great hope. That's actually a little stressful sometimes to me because they've had good embryos, they've had the right thickness of the endometrium, everything the right way, but they failed to conceive. Then I'm always thinking, what do I do differently? And that's when I discovered traditional method could be one of the saviors for such kind of patients. While I continue to do my allopathy treatment, whatever is required, continue to do my medical treatment without any changes in my protocols, but try and implement our traditional way of Ayurveda and seeing if this can help. So this is my friend, Dr. Krishnashree. She's from HLC Ayurveda Center, where OryaCare has a tie-up with them, and then we try to help people as a holistic care. And over to my friend, Dr. Krishnashree. Do you want to tell what do you do here once I refer patients who have failed, IVFs or failed fertility treatments, and when I send them after my treatment modality, what happens here?
Basically, infertility is a situation where the couple will undergo a lot of pressure, familial pressure, social pressure. So their stress levels will be very high. So for trying for conceiving for more than 6 months, surely they will be in the kind of pressure situation. So majority of the people, when they are talking to me, sharing with me, I used to see the disappointment in their eyes. We have integrated naturopathy, Ayurveda and yoga together. So that made them really felt mentally so much relaxed, and they have relieved so much from such kind of pressures. And basically Ayurvedic treatments, what it will do is, it's Panchakarma therapies, detoxification therapies. So this will remove the free radicals and it will cleanse the system. So basically we are focusing on the root cause of the issue. So, and another thing is acupuncture. Acupuncture is a naturopathy treatment in which it will stimulate the nerve endings. So each points are connected with a lot of organs. So that will enhance the function of that particular organ. So we will focus more on the reproductive system functioning. Then the other thing is yoga. Yoga will enhance their pelvic strength, pelvic organ strength. Then it will improve their flexibility. It will relax them mentally, emotionally, and including meditation, pranayama, everything we will include in this yoga. So these 3 systems will work very well with the patient. Along with that, we will give them good counseling, and along with that, some diet modifications which will improve their sperm and ovum quality. So in that way, we are getting a good success rate in this integrated approach.
I would only say thank you so much, because your holistic approach has led into a great success for my patients. And best thing about it is, sending to the center, they never altered any treatment modality of mine. While I continued doing it, and any question they ask me about Ayurveda, I would say I'm not the expert. You ask me about my treatment, my allopathy, and I let you answer. And because of this holistic healing, I have wonderful success with my patients. Like I already mentioned, a couple with 2 IVF failures in the past, going home today, with a positive test and seeing the heartbeat, the joy I see in their eyes is so different. And this is just one of the stories. We have couple of them, and you will get to see it in the patient testimonial, and you check it out yourself. I'm really glad that we made a decision to do this holistic approach, and really nice that we are able to send people home with a bundle of joy. And also subscribe to us so you know what's new in the holistic care, so that you can reach out to us at OryaCare for more treatment in the holistic way.